What's good, YouTube? I'm back with another long form video, and today we're looking at the Razer. I'm not pronouncing that, but this $35 keyboard from Razer, and I picked this up because my old keyboard died. So this is a really nice keyboard. We have low profile keys, silent membrane switches. I'm actually interested about that, but it's durable and spill proof, and it has an ergonomic wrist rest. It's powered by Razer Chroma. So let's go take a look here. So we'll go and police. Number one. Open. Okay, so up here on the top we have a manual, some stickers. We have the keyboard itself and the ergonomic wrist rest, which is a hard plastic. So I actually don't know if I'll be using this, but it's the thought that counts. I think that's it. So shut the box over there. Let's go take a look at this first. Yep. So as I thought, it's plastic wrist rest. So nothing major. Okay, it's keyboard. So, it's actually not a bad membrane keyboard. I've felt way worse. I believe this is not magnetic, so it just kind of sits there. Nothing good. The keyboard does have a dual stage kickstand, which I do like. See, let's go ahead and get this guy set up, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like.